attempting to do something I seen a video on a very, very long time ago, and I always thought that it was insane, and I'm trying it, and it's actually working. And I think it's just muscle memory more than anything, but it is still very cool. So I'm not going to explain a whole lot, other than I'm going to call this what it was called when I watched it, which was the Master Jedi Challenge. And some of you guys will know what that means. Most of you will not, but you'll get it at the end. So, got the steel up there, roughly 10 yards away. So we're going to shoot some steel. We're going to draw and shoot, okay? Not super fast, just drawing and shooting. Just above it. Last one's real hard. So the reason that this is called the Jedi Challenge, no sights.